Hi guys, today I'm going to talk to you about starting our book, right? Our nonfiction book and what we need to put in our nonfiction book. So the first thing I want us to think about is when you open up a book, the very first thing we probably see is a title page. And so today we're going to work on our title page, and I want to show you some other books, and maybe it'll kind of give us some ideas of what we need to put on our title page. So this is a book in our Poppy series. This one's Poppy and Earth, and I just grabbed it off the shelf, and I just want to look in here and find my title page and see what is on our title page. So here we go. Here's our title page. What do you notice? What do you notice is on our title page? Well, you know what I noticed? The very first thing I noticed is our author, Avi. So we have his name at the top. And then I see the title, and I also see that title is really big. Do you guys notice how big that is? And then I see a picture. Okay, so that's what I noticed about that title page. I picked up another book. This book I'm reading, Another Quest for Celeste. This is a book 2 of a series. The first one is just called A Quest for Celeste. It's phenomenal. So again, I'm gonna just look in here. Okay. Here I have the author, the title. Well, this is a big picture, isn't it? Do you notice though, with both of these books, the title is really big? Okay, so I'm thinking with mine, I'll need to make sure that I put the authors, right? Mrs. Cushman and Mrs. Wolf. And then I need to have my title, which I'm thinking it may just be Owls. And then I need to have a picture. So when we're doing this, this is the things we want to think. We want to reuse our pencil. We want to write really lightly, because if we make a mistake, we can easily fix it. We want to take our time. This is the first thing that's going into our book, and I want you to be really, really proud of your work. And then lastly, once we feel like we have things written and maybe drawn, then we could add a little color. I realize these two don't have color, but a lot of times our nonfiction books, they definitely have some color. So I'm going to work on that, and I'll be back to show you what I have done. All right. I'm back, and I haven't finished my book, but you know what I wanted to show you? I realized the 2 examples we did were fiction, and so I just grabbed 2 nonfiction books, and I want to see, do they have the same thing? So this one is called How a Plant Grows, so this is definitely nonfiction. This has our title and our picture, and it has the author down here. So we could do it that way, but again, look how big the title is. The title's our biggest. And then this one, this is a field guide. It's a wildflower field guide, and this one has, again, wildflowers. And we have, this is a National Geographic. So that's kind of what it says down there. Okay. Actually right here, Libby Renfro is the author. I knew it was on there somewhere. But anyway, okay, so again, even in our nonfiction, we have the author, we have the title. The title is the biggest thing on the page, and then a cool picture that goes with it. So that's what you're working on. I'm gonna go work on mine, and I'll show it to you in just a minute. All right, guys, so I finished our title page, and I'll show it to you here. So I put our name, authors, at the top, and then I put our title. You can see I tried to make the title really big so we can see it, and then I drew my picture. You can see I took a lot of time too trying to make it. I actually could still add a little bit. I could make it so he's kind of on a branch and maybe make a tree going up through here. Maybe I'll do that. The next thing that I'm gonna do is my table of contents. And so what I would say is see how long this takes you. And if you work for about 30 minutes, then you can be done for today. I've worked about 30 minutes, so maybe I'm done for today. Tomorrow when we'll meet though, we may talk more about our title page just to make sure we all understand, and then we'll start our table of contents. So I can't wait to see him. When you finish, take a picture of your title page and send it to us. My class you'll post, Mrs. Wolf's class you'll email it to her.